You will get to know the 9 best passive income ideas that will make you a millionaire without doing any work. The 9th passive income is my favorite, and I am doing it personally. Watch this video till the end to know what it is. Let's start. Number 1. Develop an online course. The online course market experienced significant growth, with a valuation approaching $400 billion in 2023. The high demand for e-learning products positions them as an effective avenue for generating passive income. Identify a targeted audience with a distinct problem requiring resolution to develop an online course. Conduct research or interviews with your target audience to gain insights into their needs and challenges. And consider engaging a select number of beta clients to facilitate their desired transformation. One might consider developing a streamlined fitness program tailored for busy mothers or a comprehensive manual for constructing impressive Lego models. Platforms such as Teachable and Thinkific facilitate the straightforward publication of courses. Alongside marketing via the platform, utilizing a website or social media can effectively draw your target audience. Number 2. Engage in affiliate marketing. Have you ever endorsed a product to a peer due to your strong appreciation for it? What are your thoughts on receiving compensation for making recommendations instead? Affiliate marketing involves the promotion of a product or service to an audience, whereby the promoter receives a commission for each individual who registers or makes a purchase as a result of the recommendation. Examples include a preferred Amazon product, which is part of their affiliate program, or a favored service or application. To establish passive income as an affiliate marketer, it is essential to identify products or services that you genuinely appreciate and to determine whether they provide an affiliate program. Examples of affiliate platforms are Impact and Commission Junction. Subsequently, establish a traffic source, such as a website, social media platform, or YouTube channel, and disseminate your unique affiliate link. Affiliate links may also be disseminated through an email list or a managed Facebook group. After establishing a sufficient level of consistent audience traffic to your offer, you can passively earn a commission with each purchase made. Please subscribe to our channel as it motivates us to create more amazing financial video for you all. Number 3. Initiate a blog. Blogs have evolved into reliable sources for information, and developing a website centered on a particular niche can become a significant source of passive income. Paddleboarding is an activity that you enjoy. To establish a paddleboard blog as a source of passive income, it is essential to address the inquiries that individuals are actively searching for on Google. Content could be developed on topics such as selecting optimal stand-up paddleboards, identifying premier locations for paddleboarding, or elucidating effective paddling techniques. Providing optimal answers in your blog posts will enhance your website's visibility on Google, resulting in increased traffic. Traffic can be monetized via display advertisements, affiliate marketing, sponsorship agreements, and the sale of proprietary products. A website can be established for under $100, with a domain name available from GoDaddy for approximately $10, and hosting services obtainable from Bluehost for about $5 monthly. Although it may require time to establish traction, your website has the potential to generate revenue continuously. With sufficient growth, it becomes feasible to employ a team responsible for site management, content creation, and revenue enhancement. Number 4. Acquire rental properties. Rental real estate is commonly perceived as a source of passive income. One can acquire either a single-family or multi-family residence, undertake renovations, secure tenants, and commence the generation of passive income on a monthly basis. Utilize platforms such as Zillow or Realtor.com to identify properties, or collaborate with a local agent specializing in investor assistance. However, any real estate investor will assert that it is far from passive when undertaken independently. To achieve genuine passive income, it is essential to assemble a team responsible for repairs and maintenance, tax obligations, and property management. This enables the delegation of daily landlord responsibilities, allowing for management of the team and collection of payments. Number 5. Lease your vehicle. The rise of Airbnb as a popular platform for direct home rentals has led to the emergence of new websites that facilitate the rental of additional assets. Platforms such as Turo facilitate the direct rental of personal vehicles to individuals, enabling owners to generate income during periods of non-use. Although renting a vehicle to unfamiliar individuals entails certain risks, Turo provides insurance and legal agreements that safeguard the vehicle in the event of damage or an accident. The service incurs fees, and personal presence is required for vehicle pickup and drop-off. However, revenue is generated for the entire duration of the car rental. This represents a viable choice for individuals possessing a secondary vehicle that is infrequently utilized. Number 6. Facilitate the storage of personal belongings. In addition to renting out your home or a room via platforms such as Airbnb, it is also possible to rent storage space. Platforms such as Neighbor.com facilitate the rental of parking spaces on private property or in garages for the purpose of storing personal belongings. Individuals may require parking for an RV or a boat on your property, or they may seek alternatives to storage units for surplus items. Renting out available space can generate income. Facilitating remote access, such as through a gate code or lock, can render this activity notably passive. Number 7. Market a digital product. The sale of digital products online presents a viable opportunity for revenue generation. Develop templates, print-on-demand items, or digital designs for sale in an online store. One could allocate time to create coloring book pages using an application such as Canva, subsequently compiling them into a PDF format for sale. Utilizing an online platform like Shopify or Etsy facilitates sales to a broad audience through the simple distribution of a product link, with delivery executed via a download link or email. Automatic delivery of digital products can be established post-payment, thereby eliminating the shipping costs and logistical challenges linked to the sale of physical products. After establishing your virtual storefront and implementing strategies to generate traffic, this income becomes genuinely passive. Number 8. Develop an email newsletter. Email marketing involves acquiring customer subscriptions to an email newsletter and subsequently disseminating links to products or services that generate revenue. This is most effective when a website or social media presence is already established. One may provide a complimentary item to the audience in return for their email address. For instance, if one has a passion for training dogs, it is possible to develop a newsletter focused on dog training strategies and provide a complimentary guide in return for email subscriptions. The utilization of email services such as MailChimp or ConvertKit facilitates the collection of email addresses and enables the simultaneous dispatch of emails to all individuals on your list. As your list expands, you may disseminate affiliate offers or promote your own digital products to generate revenue. A sponsor for your newsletter may be obtained if your subscriber list reaches a sufficient size. Many email platforms facilitate the automation of email dispatch, enabling the dissemination of offers without the necessity of composing emails on a daily basis. Number 9. Allocate resources to dividend-paying equities. Dividend-paying stocks represent shares in companies that distribute regular payments to investors derived from corporate profits. Dividend-paying stocks typically belong to larger companies with a demonstrated history of profitability, rendering them a relatively stable investment option. Notable dividend stocks comprise Verizon VZ, Comcast CMCSA, and Wells Fargo WFC. Each of these companies is stable and well-established, offering dividend yields ranging from 2.5% to 7% annually. Dividends are typically dispersed quarterly and may fluctuate in response to business performance or strategic goals. Dividend stocks may decrease in value. Therefore, conducting thorough research prior to making investment decisions is essential. Stay subscribed to our channel to know more amazing earning methods that will make you rich. Also, press the like button if you loved watching this video.